Hi everybody, I'm Brian Jones, the Sunday Carpenter. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while, but I've been busy with work and I've been busy with my son's baseball team. I've been really wanting to make a project recently, I just haven't had the time. In my activities with the baseball team, I've come across the same problem every weekend. When we go to draw the batter's box, we always have to measure it out every time. It's not always exactly the same. What I'm going to do is make a frame that I can use as an outline to draw the batter's box. And I'm just going to make a box that's 90 centimeters by 150 centimeters. And I'm going to put a handle on it so it's easy to carry. And that'll also line up with the home plate so you get it in the exact same position every time. I'm going to make all the ends of the boards like this. I'm going to transfer these dimensions to the rest of my boards now. Got my marker set so I can get the same depth on all my ends. Run it over. Okay, got my pencil. I'm just going to mark, cut here. Get rid of this piece. I'm going to do the same cut on these two boards. These boards are going to overlap here. So I need to know this and mark that there. So what I'm going to do is take the width of my board, set my gauge, okay. So that's the width of the board. You take that width, and I'll transfer that here so I know how far in to cut. And all the pieces that I want cut.
Well, lately things ain't on my way. Consequently, I've been drinking nearly every day. It's hard to keep your head up when they're knocking you down, so I've been making that old all right. I drink a bottle of still bourbon to ease my mind. Seems to work all right till closing time. But you know you're gonna come down every night, and there ain't no way you'll ever feel satisfied. Ain't that hard to figure where to begin? It's Friday night, so I'm rushing in like a fool. I get it anywhere I can.
Cutting just shy of the line, and I'll trim up to perfect fit later with the chisels. I've seen this trick done on guys that do chainsaw work to make log cabins and stuff, and I figured I'd see if I could use it here. Make a lot of cuts. Then you just kind of bust them out, chisel. Hey, that works. Now I'll just neaten that up later with my chisel. Do the same over here. These are the two end pieces. They're both 90 centimeters long. This is a 13 centimeter handle part. These are 103 centimeter long. They're going to go across the center of the frame The handle will connect up here and be glued in the space. These are the long runners for the sides. They're 150 centimeters. I labeled these A and B, so I got all the cuts and everything to fit with each other just right.
Hear shots fall down from heaven above. You might lose a friend, you might fall in love, but you know you're gonna come down every night, and there ain't no way you'll ever feel satisfied. 6 in the morning till you die in the day, it's straight bad news and bills to pay. But come 5 o'clock, you're feeling good again. But I've been having a hard time walking a straight line, seeing two of every single neon sign. Well now, you'll find me downtown, gracefully face down, just wishing I could feel alright. Well, I got so high, if my head on the ground, sat up on the floor, seems the room spin round, but you swing real hard to the bottom of the bottle, and things really look so bad. You drink cheap malt liquor from a 40-ounce bottle, a fifth of bourbon, some pills if you got 'em, but you know you're gonna come down every night, and there ain't no way you'll ever feel satisfied. 'Cause years of my life, I can't remember it all, like one Friday evening I can barely recall. So the sex situation in the barroom bathroom stall. Well, I've been having a hard time.
Well, it's all glued up. All I have to do is wait for the glue to dry. I'm going to reinforce the edges with some L brackets I have, just to make sure they stay together really good. And then I'm done. In case I didn't explain this before, this piece here lines up with the side of the home plate. So this lines up with one side, and you just flip it over and use it to line up the other side. It gives you the perfect distance from the base for the batter's box each time. It's also a nice handle. I'm going to route over the insides with a 1/4 inch round over bit in my trimmer, and that'll make it easier to hold and more comfortable. When cutting the inside of a circle, go clockwise. If I was cutting the outside, I would go counterclockwise. This might be a little bit of overkill, but I'm going to put metal brackets, L brackets, in the corners.
Gracefully face down, just wishing I could feel alright. Wishing